Students, already have learned 2 mark questions and 3 detailed answer from history, lesson 1. Now this is another detailed answer. I think question number 3. Explain the course of the Russian Revolution under the leadership of Lenin. Now we all take page number 10 and 11. Russian Revolution and its impact. The biggest outcome of the First World War, Russian Revolution, was unique in world history. The Russian Revolution broke out in the year 1917. So Russian Revolution broke out in the year 1917. There were really 2 revolutions in the year 1917. One in March, another one is in November. Causes of the revolution. There are so many causes for the outbreak of Russian Revolution. Social causes, role of revolutionaries, autocracy of the Tsar Nicholas II, then opposition to Tsar and dissolution of Duma. Duma means Parliament of Russia. Then popular uprisings, abdication of Tsar, then provisional government, then failure of provisional government. These are the causes of the Russian Revolution. Now, first one, social causes. In Russia, Peter the Great and his wife Catherine II attempted westernization without changing the social condition. Then the Russian peasants were serfs tied to hands owned by wealthy Russians. See in this picture, Peter the Great and his wife Catherine is there. Then and also Russian peasants also there. They suffered a lot. Then the laborers and workers whose number had increased on account of industrialization were aggrieved as they got very low wages. Because of the industrialization, they got very low wages. Now next one, role of revolutionaries. The spread of revolutionary ideas among the intelligentsia and their repression to the Tsar's government made the socialistically inclined students to carry their propaganda to the peasants. So revolutionary ideas நன்கு படித்த ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து யாருக்கு சொன்னாங்க, பெசன்ஸுக்கு அவங்களுக்கு அந்த கருத்துக்களை பூத்துனாங்க. மெயினாக அந்த சமயம் இருந்த ரெவல்யூஷனில் கால் மார்க்ஸ் இருந்தார். கால் மார்க்ஸோடைய philosophy பீப்புளுடைய மனது நிறைய மாற்றத்தை ஏற்படுத்தது. See the picture, Karl Marx is there. Then those who followed Karl Marx, they were known as Marxist. Then third one, autocracy of the Tsar. Tsar Nicholas II of Romanov dynasty had little experience of government. So Tsar Nicholas of Romanov dynasty. Tsar Nicholas means that time Tsar. Tsar, the king நம்ம சொல்றோம் இல்லையா, அதுதான் ரஷ்யால Tsar சொல்லுவாங்க. Nicholas II of Romanov dynasty had little experience of the government. But his wife Tsarina Alexandra was dominant personality and Nicholas was under her strong influence. See in this picture, here Nicholas II and his wife Tsarina is there. Then Nicholas was forced to grant constitution and establish a parliament, the Duma. Duma is a parliament of Russia. This was no longer satisfactory to the left-wing parties that formed a Soviet council of workers delegates in St. Petersburg led by Trotsky. So here Duma is there. Duma is a parliament of Russia. Then the Duma gave a middle classes a voice in government. So the moderates are supportive of the government. Moderates were supportive of the government, but the left wing continued the opposition. Here, two parties are there, Bolshevik and the Menshevik. There is two party in Russia. Menshevik people supported to the government, but Bolshevik people oppose the government. But in the country, Bolshevik தான் நிறைய இருந்தாங்க. Majority people Bolshevik, Menshevik வந்து கொஞ்சம் தான் இருந்தாங்க. ஆனா கொஞ்சம் people வந்து நிறைய people வந்து கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணிட்டே இருந்தாங்க. Then next one, opposition to Tsar and dissolution of Duma. The outbreak of First World War had temporarily strengthened the monarchy as Russia allied to France and Britain. Monarchy in king's rule. So the outbreak of First World War had temporarily strengthened the monarchy as Russia allied to France and Britain. Already நமக்கு தெரியும் First World War ரஷ்யா வந்து பிரான்ஸ் கூடயும் பிரிட்டன் கூட அலைடா இருந்துச்சு. Then this is also one of the reason. Then without the change of government policy, the fourth Duma entered with the resolution of 1917. What is Duma? Duma is the parliament of Russia. The next one, popular uprising. On 23rd February 1917, when the socialists celebrated International Working Women's Day. On 23rd February 1917, when the socialists celebrated International Working Women's Day. The next point, abdication of Tsar. Here, Petrograd, the capital of Russian Empire. Capital of Russian Empire, that is known as Petrograd. In this picture, we can see that. An abdication of the Tsar, the government used troops to break the strike. But soon, mutinies broke out in the barracks. Mutiny, அப்படின்னு சொல்லும்போது கலகம். So, Tsarக்கு எதிரா people வந்து கலகம் செஞ்சாங்க. Then Soviet was dominated by Menshevik and the majority, and the minority Bolshevik were timid and undecided. The situation changed with the arrival of Lenin. So, நம்ம ஆல்ரெடி படிச்சிருக்கோம் போல்ஷிவிக் வந்து நிறைய பீப்புள், மென்ஷிவிக் வந்து கொஞ்சம் பீப்புள். ஆனா அந்த கொஞ்சம் பீப்புள் வந்து நிறைய பீப்புளை வந்து கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. லெனின் வருது வர சரியா. Now Lenin was born in 1870 near the middle Volga to educated parents. In the picture, Lenin is there. Then Lenin followed, influenced by the idea of Karl Marx. Then failure of the provisional government. Lenin was in Switzerland when the revolution broke out. Lenin wanted to continue the revolution. Now this is the cause of the war. This is a answer for that question. Okay. Take over by the Bolshevik party under Lenin's leadership. Here Lenin was in Switzerland when the revolution broke out. Lenin was in Switzerland when the revolution broke out. Our Switzerland இருக்கும்போது இங்க revolution start ஆயிட்டு. Revolution in the year 1917. Lenin wanted to continue the revolution. His slogan of all power to the Soviets. எல்லா பவரும் Soviet people கையில இருக்க மாதிரி. Soon won over the workers, leaders. Then devastated by wartime shortages, the people were attracted by the slogan of bread, peace and land. So எல்லா அழிவு ஏற்படுத்தி கொண்டிருக்க பீரியட்ல people வந்து இவருடைய ஸ்லோகனால் மிகவும் கவர்ந்து இழுக்கப்பட்டாங்க. bread, peace and also land, because peasants had no land, so peasants were attracted this slogan. And also people சாப்பாட்டுக்கே வழி இல்லாம இருக்கும்போது பிரெட்னு சொல்றதும், அமைதி இல்லாம இருக்கும்போது அமைதின்னு சொல்றதும், லேண்ட் இல்லாம இருக்கும்போது லேண்ட்னு சொல்றதுனால இது ஸ்லோகன் people ரொம்ப அட்ராக்ட் பண்ணப்பட்டார்கள். In October, Lenin persuaded the Bolshevik Central Committee to decide on immediate revolution. Then Trotsky prepared a detailed plan. On 7th November, the key government buildings, including the Winter Palace, the Prime Minister's headquarters, were seized by armed factory workers and revolutionary troops. Seized னு சொல்லும்போது முற்றுகையிடுறது. So, Winter Palace, Prime Minister headquarters, கவர்மெண்ட் பில்டிங்ஸ் எல்லாமே சீஸ் பண்ணாங்க, முற்றுகிட்டாங்க. On 8th November 1917, a new communist government was in office in Russia. His head this time was Lenin. So 1917 ஒரு புதிய கவர்மெண்ட் வந்துச்சு, அதோட ஹெட் வந்து யார் இருந்தா? லெனின். The Bolshevik party was renamed as Russian Communist Party. அந்த Bolshevik party தான் பின்னால எப்படி ரீநேம் ஆச்சு? Russian Communist Party. Next one, outcome. What are the results? What are the impact of the Russian Revolution? The Russian Communist Party eliminated illiteracy and poverty in Russia within the record time. So இவ்வளவு நாள் இருந்த illiteracy, அறியாமை இல்லைன்னா படிப்பறிவற்ற தன்மையை நீக்கியது, வறுமையை நீக்கியது. The Russian industry and agriculture developed remarkably. Industry develop ஆச்சு, agriculture was also developed after the revolution. Then women were given equal rights, including rights to vote. விமனுக்கு மென் கூட ஈக்குவல் ரைட்ஸ் கிடைச்சு, பிளஸ் ஓட்டு போடுற ரைட் கூட அவங்களுக்கு கிடைத்தது ஆஃப்டர் த ரெவல்யூஷன். தென் இண்டஸ்ட்ரீஸ் அண்ட் பேங்க்ஸ் வர் நேஷனலைஸ்ட், எல்லாமே தேசியமயமாக்கப்பட்டது. லேண்ட் வாஸ் அனௌன்ஸ்ட் அஸ் சோஷியல் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி. லேண்ட்ஸ் தனி ஒருத்தருக்கு இல்லை, சோஷியல் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி அனௌன்ஸ் பண்ணப்பட்டது. லேண்ட் வாஸ் டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட்டட் டு த புவர் பெர்சன்ஸ் ஆல்சோ. பிஃபோர் த ரெவல்யூஷன் பெர்சன்ஸுக்கு தனிப்பட்ட லேண்ட் இல்லை. But after the revolution, land was distributed to poor persons also. Then what is the global influence of the Russian Revolution? The revolution fired people's imagination across the world. In many countries, communist parties were formed. After the Russian Revolution, many countries were formed communist parties. The Russian communist government encouraged the colonies to fight for their freedom. யாரெல்லாம் freedom இல்லாம காலேஜா இருக்காங்களோ அவங்களுக்கெல்லாம் ஒரு என்கரேஜ்மெண்ட் கொடுத்துச்சு ரஷ்யன் ரெவல்யூஷன். So after the Russian Revolution, the communist government encouraged the colonies to fight for their freedom. Now I hope you all have understood this question. Study this question thoroughly. Thank you.